much money do you need to make about $5,000 in a few minutes using just your phone? Just $20. Do you have that right? Great! Then let's go to the most interesting part. I'll use $150 to show you the strategy faster, but you can use absolutely any amount. So let's go to the Pocket Option website. We see a user-friendly interface like on a computer, and we can add indicators. So let's set the MACD and the stochastic indicators, and select the line thickness of these two indicators for 2 pixels. Now let's set up the time frame for 15 seconds and the time expiration for 15 seconds as well. So let's move to the first currency pair and start trading. We see here an upward movement on the histogram and an upward movement on the stochastic indicator will open a collapse. So great job guys, we're taking our profit, got a great move, and let's change the amount of the trade and move to the next currency pair. And we see the same reversal structure here. The histogram is close to make an intersection with a 0 mark. The stochastic is also rising. This tells us that there is a strong upward priority. At the beginning there was a very strong impulse, but the deal closed right near the entry point. So I think it's really good that we repeatedly open this trade, open at the very bottom. So because of this, the deal closed in the plus side. So we had a reaction on indicators, but the downward movement continued further. So let's swap the amount of the transaction and let's move to the next currency pair. We see a downward movement according to the both indicators here, so let's open a put option. That was a great deal guys, we get a very good reaction. We see red histogram, which means that the green line is moving away from the red one, which reinforces the downward movement. Also, the stochastic has recently broken through the level of 20, which confirms the downward movement, so we get a good deal guys. So let's move to the next currency pair. And here we see that MACD is in a strong downward movement because the chart is falling very hard and the histogram is in the sideways movement and doesn't have many intersections with each other. Also, stochastic oscillator indicator is in very uncertain situation. I'll skip this currency pair because of the uncertainty according to all indicators, and it's really difficult to trade here. So let's move to the next graph. To trade like a professional, you need to take your knowledge to a new level. In my Telegram channel, you can improve your skills every day by studying the theory, indicators, and my working strategies, as well as practicing in my real trading sessions. So I give you entry points with high precision, and together we make great results. Take a look, and these are the results in just one training session, guys. Isn't that cool? And what if we do it every day? So join my Telegram community using the link in the description, so it's completely free. And let's go back to the chart. So there's an uncertain value for the MACD here, and the stochastic indicator is also in uncertain position. But here you can see a sloping line. We can also draw the figures and trend line, which are allowed on the platform from the phone. So well, from this very line we take a position to the upside, uptrend and call option. So nice work guys, indicators were in the uncertainty zone here. For trading I needed the knowledge of the technical analysis, which can be successfully applied like this. It's also important to know it and apply. So let's change the amount of the trade and move to the next currency pair. We see an upward movement in both indicators. There's also a trend line of this upward movement from the lower boundary of which we went up. Great guys, that was a really good deal guys. It's happened according to our plan. So let's move to the next currency pair. We see here the beginning of the reversal movement on the MACD indicator, and also the stochastic crosses the level of 80 from top to bottom, so open a put option. So good job guys, you see that weekend trade very easy and comfortable from phone. Also it's very practical and convenient, so good trade. So guys, there are over $4,500 in my account. These are amazing results that you can also do even with small amounts and just your phone. How? Go to the description and pick up your ticket to a new life by the link there. So see you soon.